Ever wondered how to attract bees to your garden and why it's important? Well, bees are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, playing a critical role in pollination. This process is vital for the survival of plants, especially those that bloom. By attracting bees to your personal garden, you're not only aiding in their conservation, but also encouraging a more vibrant bloom of your flowers. Plus, if you grow fruits and vegetables, bees can help increase your yield. So, attracting bees to your garden is not only good for the bees, but it's also good for your garden. Now, how do you attract these little pollinators to your garden, you ask? Well, it's simpler than you may think. Let's break it down into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose the right plants. Bees are attracted to bright colors and sweet scents. Flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and goldenrods are all excellent choices. They not only add beauty to your garden, but are also beloved by bees. Next, step 2. Provide a fresh water source. Bees need water just as much as they need nectar. A shallow dish with some pebbles for landing spots works wonderfully. Remember to keep the water fresh and clean. The final step, step 3, is to avoid using pesticides. These chemicals can harm bees and deter them from visiting your garden. Opt for natural pest control methods instead. Follow these steps and you'll have a bee-friendly garden in no time. Attracting bees to your garden is a win-win situation. You get a thriving garden, and bees get a safe place to gather nectar and pollinate. In a nutshell, plant a variety of flowers, provide fresh water, and avoid pesticides. Small steps like these can make a big difference, boosting the bee population and, in turn, benefiting our environment. Remember, every garden counts. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.